Good evening, Mas Alfonso. I've been wanting to see you from the other day, but I've been looking out and I can't see you. I go to church or anything. So I'm glad to see you now. I'm glad to see you. His hope is not people business. You want to see me about your no highness. Because I don't have time for people business, you know. It's to destroy me come out and me say pang ya fi buy. And me no got time for people business. Because the mosquito them since the whole heap of rain a fall, the mosquito them out to catapult me. So I to destroy me come get. So what you say now? Let me hear what you're saying. Because for your tour then long to have me no got time, you know. Because to hold the rain a fall on my heart right his foot. And it is a nyam me so. Nyam me. So make it fast. No. It's not people business. No. It's not people business. But my granddaughter tell me the other day, say Brian pregnant Mass Judge daughter. But me I hear in the lane big. Say, I don't know if you remember Mass Judge good. Eh? You know Mass Judge, one and Judge. Where did do the robbery and then chop off the Anna St. Mary and then spend 3 years at prison. So after he come back from prison, the woman when did have Keshia with left and go away and left Keshia with him. I don't know if you remember good you know. But as you know me and people them when me know good. Because even me used to put on nappy pan Keshia. But I tell you, the man where she live round there with, the taxi man. The man is about 30 years and the little girl are just 18-year old top go to school. And she very promiscuous, you know, I'm telling you. So me get fi understand say she pregnant for Brian. Baba. But let me tell you how the tour go. I know me can't believe them are young people. Make I tell you how the tour go. I hear say the taxi man Ali, his name. Let me tell you a name. Let me tell you, Ali. So Ali know our cousin will come up from country. Him about 17-year old. Me get fi understand say him mama from Canada file for him. So him a fi have him papers them fi look both up and down. So through Ali drive taxi now, him come up fi come stay with Ali. And he looked to me like I saw the little promiscuous girl where George have get entangled with the boy we come up from country. I went name again doing me knock me head here. Try. You see, true for me head again, I know me even too can't remember name, you know, but I'll try name. So let me get back to the story because me have to go. But I saw me here. So me here say when Ali gone run taxi at night time, the little promiscuous gal, eh? And the boy try a fool around. So when she know I come fi say I feel grandson Brian pregnant or nothing no go so. Baba, me say no go so. Anything you hear nigga say, if you no go so, it near go so. And me, all highness, yeah, believe. Because plenty time it take for me eye and see her. I climb over fence, I go over people yard. But true enough in me business, cause you don't know me already, me no love people business. Me stay far from people business. But fancy, true me know you are going to your church and you are good somebody. Me have to seek your out to tell you this. But alright, you hear? So Ines, where you get all them the tourists from Ines? Eh?
Word on the street.
It look like say to me only go at church, and to me yard and to shop. But Ines, what type of tourist them they are tell me? You know what? But me didn't get to understand to you know because she come up at the yard. There she see me I go at church and ask me about Brian. So me tell her Brian up a yard. So she a give me the long story. Oh, she pregnant and I feel Brian home, but to me, you know, say me not take no calamity pan for me grand picnic. So me no bother listen to her. But mama say she a go send money come fi take one DNA test. So at that me a wait pan the money fi come here so she can go take the DNA test. You know, after the baby born, cause she say 1 month left. So as soon as the baby born and we take the DNA test, we will know who for pregnancy. Because when you see them so promiscuous, they don't even know who for. You know what she do? She better put it in a one bag and raffle it. You know, like raffle ticket or you know, when a Christmas time and then throw off a balloon. You know the balloon them where they say a chance. Well, maybe she can pick chance too. You understand? And see a who for one. Because me, Alfonso, me nah go see myself. So here what? Make me come hard at the destroyer out of Mr. Pang and come go hope. You understand? To sister me. Because the mosquito them, me can't manage them. Mr. Pang? Mr. Pang?
Come in.
Oh, sell me two destroyer there and me collect a little pension money. So remember, say me dey owe you for a few things. So me come for pay you because me no want owe for long. You understand? So me get the little pension money. So see here me I give you so two destroyer and away me off again. But you know still, I mean know you not rob me. So you know, me just give me the two destroyer there. Alright. I'll make me come go up. You here? Alright, take care. Take care, Mr. Pam. Alright. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Cause you know, Grandpa have a lot of story to tell you know. Very more story, very much. And Grandpa need your support. Grandpa alone cannot do it. Grandpa need you to subscribe, like the video, and share the video, and comment. Leave your comment so Grandpa can know how she's doing because Grandpa is learning. And Grandpa would like to hear from you if she's doing very well. Okay? We're all in this together, you know. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. And every subscriber is very important. And don't forget, you know, to watch the video unto the end. You understand? Because subscribing and not watching the video, that is not good enough. Okay? You understand? So we need your support. We are all in this together. Thank you.